As I've said already many times before, Calc and computers in general are here to make your life easier. So, for example, what we did before earlier with the with applying filters and all, each time I had to select my data range and then do, for example, data and then advanced filtering and then stuff like that, and copy results to, or something like this. Yeah, then okay, whatever. So each time I had to do the same thing over and over again. What I can do is, let me redo it because I have to redo it again. Yeah. There you go. So instead of going every time here and then taking um, the whole data range and selecting it, what I can do is I can select it once, data, define range, and then I thought it was already, yeah, sorry. Okay, so normally, yeah, so again, take the whole thing, data, define range, and this range of data I'm going to call it elements. Add. Okay, so if I want to apply some advanced filtering, all I have to do is data, select, elements, and I've got my selection here. Then of course I can do my advanced filtering, and here again what I can do is, if I want the results to start from here, the results from the advanced filtering, for example, or the sorting, the sort here, what I can do, I can take this and call it define range, and I can call it results. So look at how fast I can work. I want to apply some filtering, advanced filtering here, using these results. So I can go data, select range, elements, okay, data, filter, advanced filter, read filter from here, more, copy results to the data range results here. Okay, and there you go. So you can see each time, if I hadn't defined this range here, I would be obliged to do this more and then do this here, click here and then click here, so I can, even 2 seconds is a good thing, not wasting 2 seconds. The goal is to do things as fast as possible. So for example, yeah, whatever. So this is what you can do with ranges. So first of all, you have to, if you want to define a range that you use quite often, you have to select the range and then data, define, and give it a name. And then each time you want to select it, data, select, and you've got your results. Maybe in this example it's not very obvious why one would need to define ranges, but imagine something like this. Imagine if I want to copy and then paste it, I've lost my original selection. So if I want to keep it, to store it, I can just go data, define range, and then call it miscellaneous or whatever. Then add. Okay, so I'm gonna see whether it works or not. You can see it does work with non-contiguous cells, so forget about that. At least we know already. We now know that it doesn't work, although it's really inconvenient that it doesn't work, because it's with this type of data ranges where you really need these functions here. So this is all you need to know about advanced filtering and data ranges in Calc.